and this time with Shopkins. If you're a Shopkins fan, give this video a thumbs up. I found a kitchen set wrapped up in a corner drawer, which we had left from our bakery. So I thought we could get to these fantastic items and unwrap them in our Barbie bakery. I am so excited. Look at all these Shopkins. It's a Shopkins mini pack. And with this pack, we get 2 Shopkins plus 2 mini packs. Tiny packaging for tiny Shopkins. So cute. So let's get to it. I'm using scissors to unwrap this. Please be very careful while using scissors. Wow, spatulas! Ooh, these are so good. They also come with their own handles, so Barbie can actually hold them. A spoon, spatula. Perfect! A big thumbs up for this tiny tea kettle. Wow, these utensils are really cute. And the lid opens too, so we can fill these up with yummy goodies. And another pot. This one opens up as well. This one seems like it's for a stew. Oh wow, here's a frying pan. And we have some eggs in it already. Perfect for breakfast. Ooh, yummy eggs. Sunny side up, please. Now that we are done with these, let's get to the most amazing part I was anxiously waiting for. The Shopkins! The cake right here. I love that this pack has wishes in it. This shopper pack includes 2 Shopkins plus 2 mini packs. Wow, that's gotta be fun. In total, we're going to get 16 items. Before we start unwrapping, I want to see what this packaging looks like. This looks really nice. And we also have fantabulous favorites. I am so excited to see which ones we've got. So let's get to it. I just can't wait anymore. I have to unwrap this right away. I am going to be careful though. I don't think I want to ruin any part of this packaging. It is so cute. I love that this pack has wishes in it. The cake right here. And look you guys, wishes comes with a small coin at the back. It's a golden coin. And this coin tells us that it's from season 1. It is so adorable. It's pink and it comes with its own lid. And you could just put wishes inside this and pack the cake back in, and that's about it. So now we move on to our first surprise box. Here we have something from the dairy section. This one's a really cute packaging. Let's see what's inside this. So the lid comes off, and if you can see, here's our blind bag. Let's open this up. Ooh, let me guess what it is. I think I know, and it feels a little like cheesy. Wow, I told you so. This is cheesy. Oh, and look at this. She's got her coin at the back which says season 1. So cute. So now we have cheesy from our dairy section. This one's adorable. So next up is a box packaging. This box is from the homeware section. I'll have to be a bit careful because I don't want to ruin the box. But let's see what's inside this. Here's our blind bag, and let's see what's inside this. Please be careful while using scissors. Oh, we got Blow Annie. Though she's very pretty, but I was really hoping for Mixie and Maxie. But I'm glad because, you know, even this can go into our bakery. I mean, after all, we all need some cooling, and she's so pretty anyway. She's all this purple and pink, and she's from season 3. I don't know if you can see the coin, it's right here. But she's adorable. She's really cute. So here's another hard container, and it's like a can. The details on this are amazing. It's just got all the details like you would get on a Crisco can. So I can pop open this and now I can see this blind bag. Let's take this blind bag out, see what's inside this. Can you guess what this would be? We've got the superstar of all the veggies, Rockin' Brock. This broccoli is really rockin'. And the detail on this broccoli is just amazing. Wow, I'm impressed. I think now we're prepared to have our own Shopkins gig. Cause we've got the Rockin' Brock. Let's give a shout out to our broccoli. Go broccoli! Since we are already talking about veggies, let's open the crisp veggie packet. See what's inside of this. This one's a soft pack, but it's really cute and I love it. It's so adorable. I'm gonna be careful while opening this. Success! Yes, I did it without damaging any part of this. Let's open up our blind bag. Here's our sweet pea from season 3. This is what adorable looks like. So pretty. I think that's enough from veggies. We should move on to something yummy now. What's yummy? Ooh, ice cream! So this cold and creamy packaging is a hard packaging. Wow, this one has a lot of details too. I mean, there's ice cream. There's even tiny Shopkin labels on it. I have to say, I am loving these tiny packaging. And it's just such a cute way of packaging all your goodies. Pop open. And there's our blind bag. Let's get to it. Check this out. And we get the scooper and the ice cream. This is what cute plus delicious looks like. The ice cream dream from season 1. It's time for Shopkins surprise box. Ta-da! So here you can see all the collector's edition Shopkins that you can possibly collect. I'm happy with the ones I already have. But let's go see what's in the surprise box. We've got 2 more Shopkins to reveal. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh great, we have snack time and another bag. Wow, here's something from the cake collection. That's from our bakery section. Let's put the box away now. And which one should we unwrap first? Actually, I love both the packaging, but this one's a bit special. Let's go ahead with the cake collection first, cause I want to save the snack time for later. Let's open this up and the blind bag, see what we've got. We have Rainbow Bite. Now she's from season 2. And again, perfect for our Barbie bakery. Now it's snack time, our last Shopkin reveal. Let's see what's in the blind bag. Oh yay! We've got Crispy Cracker. Crispy Cracker is from the pantry. This one's from season 2. It's actually perfect for our Barbie bakery because now we have some munchies in the bakery. So now that we have our last Shopkin revealed, I have to say all these Shopkins are just perfect for our bakery. So I'm gonna go set them all up in our bakery. We can now have our Shopkin gigs and snacks and ice cream and lots of fun. Toffees, this Shopkin reveal was amazing. I enjoyed it. These are too adorable and they're going straight to the bakery, where you can join us by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Here is TZ signing off. Bye-bye.
To win all these gifts, All you have to do is subscribe to Toffee TV, ring the bell, and comment on all our videos. Best comment wins each month. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family.
ToffeeTV.com